So we start off today's video with this cool DIY rug design. So she uses two different rugs for this one. Actually, it looks like she used like a bathroom mat. So she mixed the design with the cardboard here. And this is a cute little project idea, a nice way to like customize your rugs. Oh, that came out so cute. I love it. And you get two different rugs in one. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So moving on to the next one, we have some glass jars here. Looks like she's gluing them together, stacking them. Oh, it's a cute little vase. I feel like this could also be a cool candle holder, and it's such an easy project to do as well. Looks like she went to this store. Not sure what that is. Alright, so next up, it looks like they're doing a mirror for the bathroom. Oh, they're doing kind of like that ivy moss trend that's floating around. This is like a very popular TikTok aesthetic. Now this could be a cool project to try if you want to add a bit of greenery into your bathroom. I think that's pretty cute. Definitely something different. And this is a nice size wall that she did here. It's not like overpowering or anything like that. Alright, so we have an Ikea DIY. Oh, looks like a furniture flip. These are always my favorite to watch. You guys already know I love watching the furniture flips. One day I will attempt one. One day. intricate, so she had to build the piece first and then kind of add the different elements to make it her own. That is so cute. Definitely doesn't look like it came from Ikea. Let's make some cute home decor. All right. So we have a shell, 2 different shells here, and some candles. So I'm guessing she's gonna turn the candles into, or the shells into candle holders. Now this is a cute little easy project idea to try. We're seeing so many different variations of people just taking like different items and turning them into candles. It's a pretty cool vibe, I think. These are like almost too pretty to light though. Like you just want to sit and look at them, like they're so pretty. But you can easily refill it, so that's what's great about that. All right, so we have a project featuring some table covers. So they're plastic, not cloth. Okay, so I'm using a hole puncher to punch a hole in it. Please do not tell me she's making a shower curtain. Oh, this must be like a decoration type of DIY. Oh, that's pretty. It is. It does kind of look like a curtain though. That is so cute. Perfect for like a party. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.